delivery trucks on the side here.
Okie doke.
Your handle is Sidewinder then?
Actually, it's, I go by Jake Brake. This truck was a repo. That's how I got it so cheap. I just ain't never taken the name off there.
Okay, down below to Jake Brake. Me. Hell yeah, people used to tell me I used to get messages from people all the time when I had that T600. I thought I saw you here today. I thought I saw you there. I say, now we got like 1,000 of these T600s. Wasn't me.
Yeah, 10.
Old Hillbilly, Florida Hillbilly did that one video, and he kept sending me messages, you know, you need to check out my video, you need to check out my video. I go, alright, so I went over there, and that's why he had filmed that one T600 in the rest area. He was wondering if it was me. I said, no, it ain't me. Now you got one hit in the shoulder there. You alright there, Western? Come on up here around me, give me a little wave, we'll put that up there.
Okay. Go there, fly back if you want.
Thank you, sir. But yeah. Okay, cool. We took off down to Mexico there.
Okay, you missed me.
See you back. Holy. Okay, thank you. Oh yeah, that was neat. I was only blowing twice out of San Antonio or back. That was it for me. I was in the public on that time. I think I'm about to find me a bathroom pretty soon. So working.
Continue 4.8 miles at Northwest 48th Street.
Lake 29 for radio.
I'll get out. Come on in there.
10 volt. Thank you. Yeah, looks like yours is due for a bat there. You could use some citrus shine on it.
Yeah, that's for sure.
No, I ain't never gonna catch that guy.
Keep right on 8.
Come on, driver, you sound like a super trucker. Catch it. I can only go 70, I imagine.